Now we are discussing about another pooling technique, that is average pooling. This is most frequently used before the max pooling, but in nowadays in the convolution neural networks we are using the max pooling only. But when there is a deep neural network, in that deep neural network, sometimes when we are using more number of layers, still some people are using the average pooling. Now we are discussing what is average pooling. Here in the average pooling example, if we are taking a 2x2 filter, this 2x2 filter captures the information 1, 3, 2, 9 from the feature map. Now these 1 and 3 and 2 and 9 in the max pooling, the maximum value of this 2x2 area, the maximum value is 9. 9 will be given as output. Whereas in this average pooling, the average of these four values, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. 15 by 4, which is nothing but 3.75. So average pooling is nothing but we are doing the average for the 2x2 area in this feature map, because we have considered the filter 2x2. The hyperparameters of this average pooling layer, like max pooling layer only, filter size, it is in our hands. Normally we use 2x2, whether it is average pooling or max pooling. And the stride, normally we use the stride 2. So this is the average pooling. It is similar to max pooling only. In the max pooling, we are trying to take the maximum value. Here in the average pooling, we are performing the average of all the values in the 2x2 area, and that average will be taken as the output. After the average pooling, what will be the output size? We use the same formula, n plus 2p minus f by s, where n is nothing but the input matrix size, which is 4 by 4. And here we are not using padding, so p is 0. And the filter size is 2. Stride, we are using a 2x2 stride. So 4 minus 2, 2, 2x2, 1, 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. So output matrix size is 2x2. We are taking the practical example. After the Kanu 2D layer, we are getting the feature map output as 24 by 24 by 64. Means we are having a 24 by 24 feature map. Size of the feature map is 24 by 24, and we are having 64 such feature maps. In the average pooling layer, we have considered the filter size as 3. So filter size, the formula is n plus 2p minus f by s plus 1. Input size is 24, and we are not using padding, so this is 0, and the filter size is 3, and the stride is 2 plus 1. So 24 minus 3, 21, 21 by 2. 21 by 2, we are performing the integer division. So 21 by 2, 10. 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. Output size is 11 by 11. We are having 64 such 11 by 11 feature maps. And if I am changing the number of the filter size to 2, example, I'm changing the filter size to 2. So if I change the filter size to 2, it will be 24 minus 2, 22. 22 by 2, 11. 11 plus 1, it will become the 12. We will execute and we will verify. We got the 12 by 12 output. This is how we use the average pooling. Because I am not interested to use the padding, so we mentioned valid padding, means we are not at all using the padding. Data format none, which is indicating that we are not mentioning, we are keeping the data format as a default. Means the number of channels we are mentioning at the last. First we are mentioning the size and then followed by the number of channels. Even you do not use these two terminologies, the default values will be taken. And the stride is 2 by 2. Now I have not mentioned the strides. Now I have not mentioned the padding. When I am not mentioning the padding, it will consider as no padding, means valid padding. I have not mentioned data format, means it will consider the default data format, which will take the channels at the end. And I have not mentioned strides. When I am not mentioning the strides, it will take the number of strides as 2 by 2 stride size it will take. So when we are executing this one, you can observe still after the execution, we are getting the same result 12 by 12. Again, we are executing, see 12 by 12. This spool size is also not required. Even if we give a simple 2 by 2, the average spooling 2D layer of the Keras can understand that this is nothing but we are giving a filter size of 2 by 2. Now we are executing, see the output is same. Even you have the luxury to use simply 2 in a open braces, which means it is a filter we are giving. The filter size is 2 by 2. Remaining stride and padding and data format by default it will consider. Even I can use the 2 by 2 like this without even the inner braces. I can use directly 2 by 2 like this. There are, I can use the 2 like this. So now you can see the same result. Even when I don't use any value also, then also it will consider the average spooling 2D with a filter 2 by 2. See. Even same is applicable for the max spooling. You can observe here in the max spooling also here, we have not mentioned any value, which means it will consider it as a 2 by 2 filter. So whenever we are not mentioning any value in the average spooling 2D layer or max spooling 2D layer of Keras, by default it will consider it is a 2 by 2 filter, and a stride it will consider a 2 by 2 stride, and it will take the padding as no padding or valid padding, data format as none. This is how we apply the pooling operation by using Keras.